we're standing here tonight by the Heitner Hall with Yermi Solomon, the manager. Yermi, you said there's something special going on here tonight. What's going on?
We'll take a walk inside and we'll see.
Let's go.
Okay, welcome hall.
This is the Heitner Hall.
The first thing we have is this is the ground floor walk-in. So there's no going upstairs, no going downstairs. Street, the doors, you're inside the hall.
Wow.
This is our amazing, beautiful lobby.
Beautiful lobby.
So this is the men's side. Take a walk inside.
Unbelievable.
So this bar is actually out every night. We don't have bartenders every single night, but this is actually the bar that's out every night. Sometimes with just drinks, water, sometimes with liquor, and sometimes with a bartender.
I can tell you, Yermi, a secret. I don't know if you know.
Yes.
You know who built this bar?
Who?
Meilich Linkenbeek from Set.
How do you know that?
I know. Gorgeous bar. Beautiful. So every night there's a bar.
Correct. This is the sink area.
Okay, but
And it's the same thing, buffet.
This is not normal. Over here we can see it a little better, Yermi. So you have the hummus bar. You have the hummus bar because it's a Sephardic wedding, a Syrian wedding. I love this hummus situation here. And you have the sushi bar. What's it? There's also a Sephardic table here, no?
Correct. This is salads, but it's
more like a Sephardic style.
Salads, correct.
Avocado. Look at the salads on top.
There's fish. Here you can see the meat that's going to be coming out for carving.
It's an echte bosse bokker over here. You don't play games. Soups.
Soup station. This is going to be hot food.
All the hot
And this
food.
is staying out till 12 o'clock.
The whole
the entire night.
So the wedding goes on and the food
Correct.
stays
We're not
out
even
all
moving
night.
tables. The dance floor is big enough. We're not moving tables for the entire night.
Wait a minute, the middle's gonna be the dance floor.
Correct.
That's great. So this stays the whole night.
This stays the whole night. So if somebody wants to sit down while dancing and eat, they have the option to do so.
How does it work here, Mia, with the decor? I see it's gorgeous. Look at the setup over here. It's magnificent. How does it go?
Well, we have an office with in-house workers that help you out with designing the wedding. They show you options from previous weddings. They show you just options in general of nice styles, nice events. And the mechetunim pick whatever they want. And whatever they choose, we make it happen.
Wow. So you sit down with them, you go through all the options to make the most beautiful. This is magnificent here.
We make their dream come true. Dream wedding come true.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I mean, till the roses are hanging from the ceiling here. Unbelievable. It's gorgeous. I love the fact that you're such a big hall and everybody just feels spacious here. No pressure, no pushing.
And the walk-in is also
It's
amazing.
beautiful. That lobby, the walk-in.
Here's the chipper room. That after the chipper gets converted into a dance floor, mechitzas will be in the center of this room. So there's a dance floor for the men's side and for the ladies' side.
Wow.
Okay, let's take a walk into the kitchen. Locked bar, of course.
You see a locked up bar. Dus daar is wat alle waiters.
En this is the hammer. Ungeknickene waiters, kan liquor.
Can liquor, can waiters.
Okay.
Wow, this place is happening. This place is
So it's
happening.
a little different tonight. Usually you would see appetizers starting to get ready, but because it's buffet, the food is already out, because right after the chuppah they start eating. This is the Venice table starting to get ready, starting to prep. Usually there would be the kitchen tables all the way out to here, including another
you'd be
kitchen
setting up
table
those
here.
portions.
Correct. So tonight is a little different, but you can still see staff is here, everybody's here. We have our amazing Yossi here.
Deze Yossi de chef.
Yossi.
Smaakste Yossi. Yeah, the Yossi, the famous Yossi from Heitner. Yes, Mr. Famous Zichir. This is the fruit set up.
Fruit set
Beautiful
up.
fruits over here. So this is when? This is for dessert.
This is for dessert, yes.
Beautiful.
Do they need the coffee break-in?
No, Swedish people don't use the cup, so don't worry about that. No glass to break tonight.
Unbelievable. You know all about the glass cup, huh? A little.
I have to put it every day.
You know you have to put the cup every day.
No, but I know that they have to put it.
Unbelievable. They know they have to put the cup, and the cup is not here now.
This is going to be a warm babka. So babka
wow, so
actually
it gets
comes
hot.
right out of the oven, and it stays hot while they're cutting it. This is for ice logs, hot cakes, coffee, fruit station.
Wow, I love how clean the kitchen is.
This is going to be for churros that our famous Yossi makes.
Also makes in-house churros.
Correct.
You're setting up the desserts. Normally you go to a kitchen, a big kitchen, so it's a bisschen chazarai.
Chazai haben wir uns nicht. Always clean here.
Wow. Amigos, how's it going here? How's it going here?
Going good.
Doim zet ons zufrieden doen.
Okay, so let's go into the women's section.
Wow, beautiful.
Here's the gorgeous setup.
Zelfde setup.
The Slavische wedding is going to be buffet style, so this is the buffet.
Yermi, I think the Heimische wedding should start doing this also, the Chassidische wedding. It's not a bad idea.
I think we should do it.
It's a pretty cool idea over here. The soup table. Ice and zipdo. Very cool. I like
different
it.
choices.
It's a pretty cool idea.
Carving.
Ich will hin, wo du im Tran ist, der Buffet-Style. Wer kocht, sie sitzen eine ganze Seite in einem Platz, you can't
And as
move.
soon as the chuppah is done, you can come in, you grab
Buffet.
your plate, you have your food, you sit down, you eat for an hour.
And then you go dance.
You're not waiting for anything, you're not waiting for anybody.
Eat what you want, take what you want.
Take what you want when you want it.
When you want it. Yermi, ich laat me gaan aan filmen, de Chassidische gasten is deze.
Beautiful fish, salads. Als je de Chassidim wil, zo de hot pepper met de Slavische
Dit is meer van de
salads,
Slavische.
but they can try it. You never
Wow. Wow.
know. Oh wow, look who's here. Oh, shalom aleichem. How are you?
Good to be there.
Good to see you.
Oh wow, look
So a very interesting thing that I saw today. So I see you at weddings all the time, different halls. You know, I worked in different halls before. So usually you come in, always with a smile, of course, and you just go up and start singing. Tonight I saw you coming in and taking video. How come?
Tonight is actually beautiful. Probably the nicest wedding I've seen this season. It's the attention to detail here is unbelievable. Every
It's this hall, right?
It's the hall. I say hall. Sorry.
That's fine.
Chantonian.
It's the hall. It's the management.
Next question is going to
It's
be
the
where you're
attitude.
from, but
I'll tell you something. This is, I don't know how interesting it is for people. For me, it's very interesting. When I come in the middle of a wedding and I'm giving all that energy and I'm so hungry and I'm exhausted, and there are certain places that are like, okay, can I have something to eat? Is there something for me? In this hall, before I even say something, service.
I serve. I
Last
do
week
serve
I was
the
here.
singers.
Last
That is
week I
true.
was here.
And the musicians.
He met me outside on my way to the bathroom and he said, your soup is on your plate. I'm like, which plate? He knows
story.
where I like sitting down by breaks. This hall is where you come for good service.
because we pay attention to detail.
Exactly. Great venue, good people, and I have to go set up, so thank you so much.
Pleasure seeing you again.
Beautiful mics.
The elevator downstairs.
Wie neemt mich door aan? I feel like I'm
It's
going
not
to the
jungle.
jungle.
It's just a nice mechitza.
This is like a
Nice
jungle
pizza,
with
that's all it
flowers
is.
here. I'm shiggy with the plaats. It's not normal. I mean,
First time here.
I've been here, but I've never been here.
Okay, now
Yes,
you're here.
bin ich du. Wow.
Welcome to Heitner. Okay, so this is the family rooms. That side is the woman's restroom, and then it goes up to the woman's ballroom. This side is the men's restroom, and there's a separate room here for the chusson. So when the chusson comes there, he doesn't have to go to the family rooms. He has his own room,
It's very cool. Personal room.
his own restroom. This is where we get ready for the chuppah. Closet,
Beautiful.
restroom.
Nice.
This is just the chusson's room.
Just the chusson.
Nobody else.
Private room. Not
There's
the
the yichid
family.
room, there's the family, just the chusson.
I love that. The chusson have his own private
This
room.
is family
So
rooms.
we're all gasten, gesamen komen. De ganze Bespoch is dort met draait zich even weer busy.
Correct.
And he has no space for himself.
Correct. So let me take you into the family rooms.
This is big,
This
man.
is just an outside area. We use this for a picture room. They set up flowers sometimes here. Family hangs out. Chusson family room, Kala family room. It's just the families. Like I said, the Chusson has his own room. So some weddings, they ask for a mechitza in between. If they want that, we can provide that to them.
Coffee, brewed
There's coffee. Usually when they show up in the morning at 10 o'clock, there's already food prepared on that table for
Really?
the family. Yep.
Ik zoek alle moe. When there's food, the mood sets different.
the mood, that's
food makes
correct.
the mood. When it's
And the coffee.
And the coffee. Me
And
hinten
the
zich als de
coffee.
ganze Tag is de only ways.
This is the yichid room.
Wow, so this is ready set for the chus and kala. Wow, give a kick. It's actually fresh food. So most yichid's room is yichid room. They take out the
Correct.
food.
So they can wash here. Private bathroom, closet. Beautiful yichid room.
Takashain. Takashain. Kitab. Machen alle Chaim, some fruit, cake. Yermi, het is hier gesteld, Yermi.
This is it. This is it. This is the place.
Wow. What looks to Yermi? I never had such a
right?
tour. This is
I
amazing.
see this every day.
Every day.
You know, people
Lucky
also
you.
ask me about parking. They say, oh, what about parking? There's so few halls in the area. Well, we have valet parking.
Wow, valet
And we
parking.
also have a-
Also taka valet parking.
We have the option for valet parking, and we have a parking lot. So they take the cars into a lot. It's actually not on the street.
You're not drying.
And except for family, immediate family members that want their car up front, that entire sidewalk is also reserved for valet parking.
Nice. Wow.
It's a convenient location.
It is convenient location.
You're right off the prospect.
That's
close
people
to
coming from
Flatbush.
Monsey, from Lakewood, right at the
You're before
prospect.
Borough Park, so you don't have to go through Borough Park another 40 minutes of traffic to get to the hall if you're coming from Williamsburg, Lakewood, Muncie.
And it's right next to Flatbush, like you said.
Correct.
It's
It's
beautiful.
literally in the heart of the Yiddish of Brooklyn.
That's it. Now, someone wants to sneak out in the middle of the wedding for a good milkshake ice cream. You have the ice cream
Ice
house
cream
right
house
across
right
the
there.
street. But nobody has to sneak out because the food
No,
is
we
just
don't have
out
to
of the
sneak
world.
out.
Wow. I'm going to put the phone number on the screen and the website and the email address. If somebody, Chasna's coming up, Heitner Hall is ready to take your bookings, ready to sit down with you. You're gonna
And
be,
you get to see my smile during the
For
wedding.
that alone, it's worth hearing me. Chevre, Otma, lechtige Nacht.
Thank you.
Mazel tov,